Hello Jenda, this is Nick. Here's the idea for a new animation. Hope you're up for it. What do we have here? Oh, it's a plate boundary. We have a moving oceanic plate beneath a continent. We have a big old exotic terrain riding on the oceanic plate. And the first thing we're establishing is that there is a set distance, these are your numbers here, 150 miles between the trench, which is where the subduction begins, and a volcanic arc, which is active. Puff, puff, puff. We got little ash plumes coming out of this. We've got active magma coming up below, as you've done many times in your animations. What I'd like to do with this, which I don't think I've seen anybody really do, is that as we begin the animation and we move this exotic terrain closer and closer, and then finally dock the exotic terrain onto the edge of the continent. Let's go ahead and do that. So suddenly we dock this thing. It used to be out here, it's now here. I'm hoping to show that this trench is going to jump, and therefore this volcanic arc is going to jump. They're going to jump to the west. Why? Well, suddenly we've added a bunch of land at the drop of a finger, I might add. And so now our trench is over here. And so trench is here. Arc is here. So now we have a new volcanic arc with puff puff and magma coming up. But what I really ultimately want to show is that we still have evidence of this former position of the volcanic arc. This arc obviously is going to die. There is no subduction anymore here. This magma is going to solidify. This volcano is going to slowly crumble away. It's going to become a ghost cone volcano essentially. And so with the animation, if it's possible to remove that volcano and somehow show that our plutonic rock, our granite or our diorite or granodiorite, is solidified and now at the surface, so that we do have a place we can go visit and we can study this plutonic rock, get the age and the chemistry, and convince ourselves that's where the volcanic arc used to be. Here's where it is today. If we want to get greedy, we can do it again. Bring another terrain in, jump the trench to the west, keep that 150-mile distance. So now we have a new trench, a new arc yet. Maybe we have 1, 2, 3 different arcs, 2 of them dead, 1 of them active. Can we do that? Thank you, Jenda. Goodbye.